This is the new nature park that has just opened. It opened on November 11, 2012. Oh, wow. It's really awesome. McNutt Construction. Okay, yeah. Done a really excellent job. This is a really nice place. I'd viewed this on Google Maps a few months ago. Of course, that was before any of this was done. And this is really nice. All the fancy, nice woodwork. Looks like kind of like timber frame, I guess. Either way, they've done a really awesome job with the framing. All this laminated construction. Wow. Yeah, that's really awesome. This right here, this, I guess this is a gazebo or whatever you call it. I was looking, this is structural. So yeah, this is really awesome. Well, anyway, enough about the construction here. I haven't been here yet. This is the first time I've been here. I was over at the dedication to the new tennis court, and it was being talked about over here, and I really...
If you have not been to the Veterans Park, you need to drive over there today. You need to walk over and drive through the Veterans Park and take a few minutes and walk around. You think this place makes you feel good? Go over there and read those names on the ground, on the bricks. You will have a good feeling when you leave there, the people that have done things for the United States. And they came from Hardin County.
They like this. This is really great. I'm kind of anxious to see what it's going to be like in March, April, when it starts warming up and when all the life starts waking up from the winter, I guess you could say. It's a beautiful place. And here I am at the front of the park, and they have done a really excellent job of clearing this off. This is all wooded land, just as you see here, and they cleared all of this off in 2011, I'm thinking. I can't exactly remember for sure, but it is a beautiful park that has underwent this construction. They did a really excellent job. This is my first time I've been out here, but I don't expect this will be the last anyway, and I figure that it will see a lot of traffic, in the spring when it warms up. Another cool thing that they have added, there is a walking trail that actually goes under Ring Road right here, and I'm now across the road from the park, and we are actually getting ready to go on the trail beneath Ring Road, which is going to be an exciting first for me also. Alright, so I am on the trail now, and we are getting ready to go walk beneath Ring Road. Like I said, this is going to be an exciting first for me also. Well, someone's already been under here. You can already see the graffiti, and it kind of figures. You can hear the cars above us passing by. So there we are, back to the other side. And now I am at the tribute to the veterans. You might not be able to see too well. The sun is kind of bright and it's creating some really gruesome glares today. But this is a really great memorial or tribute. I also took some pictures earlier, which will also go into the video. You can see this one pretty good. And around the outer perimeter of the circle, you see all the names listed of veterans. Yes, veterans. Yes, these are the veterans. I was thinking maybe there were some that were active, but no, they're all veterans. That I can see anyway. Anyway, all the names of the veterans, and I think it's Hardin County and Elizabethtown residents or veterans, I should say, that have served. Too many names to mention, but they have done just a really great job with this. I was actually going to film this part earlier, but there's been a lot of visitors out here. I wasn't sure if they would really approve of me videotaping while they're out here. But anyway, all the names, and of course it's got all the organizations that made all of this possible. Done a really excellent job. A great tribute, great memorial, great shrine to the veterans that serving. That's about it for the new park. I'm kind of anxious to see what it's like when it actually starts warming up. I'll probably be coming out here more also. Okay, thanks for watching.